Mercedes has created a new benchmark of luxury and technology. Review of the Mercedes Benz S 580e 4MATIC 2026. The new 2026 Mercedes Benz S 580e 4MATIC is the epitome of engineering and luxury, a flagship sedan that seamlessly combines advanced hybrid technology with unparalleled executive-class comfort. The car is capable of traveling up to 47 miles, about 75 kilometers, exclusively on electric power, which makes it not only a prestigious but also a more environmentally friendly choice without compromising dynamics and power. The total output of the hybrid plant reaches 503 to 585 horsepower, depending on the market settings. This is enough to ensure impressive acceleration dynamics and confident behavior on the road. The heart of the model is a 3-liter gasoline turbo engine, inline-6, complemented by a powerful electric motor. This combination guarantees smooth and powerful returns in all conditions, whether it's slow urban driving or dynamic acceleration on the highway. The transmission is represented by a 9-speed 9G-tronic automatic transmission with a 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. Car charging is designed for different operating scenarios. Fast, direct current charging can replenish your energy reserve in just 20 minutes. If it is possible to leave the car for a longer time, charging with alternating current will take about 3 hours. The engineers paid special attention to comfort and maneuverability. The Air-Matic's air suspension adapts to real-time road conditions, smoothing out bumps and providing a perfect ride worthy of a flagship sedan. And the rear-wheel steering system makes the car surprisingly maneuverable in urban conditions. The turning radius is reduced, and parking in cramped spaces becomes noticeably easier. The interior of the S 580e 4MATIC immerses you in a premium atmosphere from the very first seconds. The latest generation MBUX multimedia system with a large touchscreen offers intuitive control of all vehicle functions. The active 64-color ambient lighting creates the right atmosphere in the cabin, from relaxing evening lighting to energetic daytime lighting. The premium Burmester audio system reproduces sound with crystal clarity, and the massage seats help relieve tension during long trips, allowing the driver and passengers to feel rested even after many hours of travel. Safety meets the highest standards of the brand. The car is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems. Adaptive cruise control maintains a set distance on the highway. Parking Pilot makes it easier to maneuver in a confined space, and the automatic braking system helps prevent collisions in emergency situations. All these technologies work unnoticeably but effectively, reducing the burden on the driver and improving overall traffic safety. The initial retail price of a car in the American market ranges from $130,400 to $137,400. The final cost depends on the dealer and the additional equipment selected. You can get acquainted with the current availability of models and configurations on the official Mercedes-Benz USA portal. Did you like this car?